Hi, welcome to excelrush.com. Today we are going to learn how to use the filter function in Excel. It's a dynamic function. So what is the difference between dynamic function and your normal functions? A normal function will typically give a result in the same cell that you entered the function into. A dynamic function will give a result in even the following cells beyond the cell that you're putting the formula into. So this is my data. This is sales of various fitness equipments. Let's see how to use the filter function. So what I want to do is I want to filter these records only to see data of Mumbai city. All right. So what I will do is I will first copy the headers. So I'll just paste here and I'll just adjust the column widths to be the same ones. So in paste as values. Now I'm going to say filter. Mind you, this will result in a separate data set, a filtered data set. My original data set will remain as is. So equal to filter, it's saying array. So I'm going to select this array, my entire data set, control backspace to come here. Include, so because I want to include Mumbai, I have to select the city column, right? H22H9855, which will be equal to whatever is written in N1, Mumbai, or I can type Mumbai here, whichever ways it will work. Right? So to make it more dynamic, I'm going to select N1 and you see that you're seeing only data of Mumbai. If I change this to New York, I will see a calculation error because there is no New York in this. But if I make it New York City, I will get my data. Is that clear? So this is how you use a filter function to filter out records. Now, suppose you wanted to filter out based on multiple criteria. So along with New York City, you only wanted to see speed rope related data. There is a product called speed rope, a SKU product. So what I'm going to do is, there is a quick trick for this. I'm going to put this into bracket, put a multiplication sign, create one more bracket, and in that I'm going to create this selection. So SKU, so I want J2 to the end, it should be equal to the speed rope. So again, try to see what I've done. In my criteria of the filtering, I have put 2, H column to N1 and J column to P1. I've put those both into bracket and put a multiplication sign in between. So I'm forcing it to consider both the criterias. And my data is now filtered only for New York City and speed rope. If I change this to treadmill, it will only give me New York and treadmill data. So this is how you can create a criteria for multiple criteria using the filter function. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. Whether you liked what you liked about the video, what you learned new, please share in the comment section below. Thank you so much.